The Axiom hosted solution is going to help you take real-time analytics from the process that's going on in your facility. By hosting the data in the cloud, Axiom allows me to look real-time and grab both live and historical information. For instance, in this industrial process, I have a bag count based on the amount of production that is going on, this hour, this shift, and total daily. In looking at the current shift, shift number 2, I can see my good, under, and overweight percentages. I can see what my average weights and bag counts have been. I can also look at each of these pieces of equipment historically, looking at the previous hour averages, and in live time. So in machine 1, I can see it's currently at 26.09 bags per minute, and it's sitting right in the middle of the operational threshold. But when I compare that to machine 2, I very easily see I have a problem that needs correction, as well as on machine 8. If I want to compare these machines, I just move over to another dashboard. Axiom gives me the ability and the flexibility to make each of these dashboards fit my process. And because it's hosted, it limits the amount of IT and support that I need to have in order to use this solution. So as I look at my legend, I can see that I have all 10 machines represented, each machine a weight and a bag per minute vector, and that is color sorted. So when I look up here, I can see that my thresholds have been established by these white dashes, and I've got most of my equipment working inside a threshold for my weight sensors. But I do have currently something that is outside of threshold, bag 4, on the high side, and under threshold, bag 7. Same thing now when I look at the bags per minute, I can see that I have bag 2 is high and bag 8 is too low. If I wanted more information, I could come into this chart and run all kinds of different calculations, export the data, run statistics, get all kinds of different information to be able to make my process better. And down below, another look at information as it comes in from the machines. But maybe I want to investigate machine 2 further. Each machine has its own analytics page where I can dig in and look at things like the average bag count per minute or per hour and total bag count by hour and by shift. A series of buttons will allow me to call upon scripting that will change this information based on the time period that I choose. Again, we have more gauges to look at how it is operating outside of its high limit threshold, but weight per bag is okay. And in the last 8 hours, I can see that my bags per minute has steadily been increasing right above my operational threshold. And down below, we're running a calculation. We're taking the bag weight per minute and calculating an average pounds per minute. And I can see also by the high limit that's shaded that I am above my ideal operating threshold on this as well. Axiom is going to give you the power to not just see what's happening, but to make real-time decisions based on historical and live data so that you can reduce your downtime, increase your profitability. And best of all, there's nothing for you to manage. You just simply log on from your browser.